Historical POV channels are pulling in millions of views right now, and the craziest part? Almost nobody is showing their face to make them. Look at these channels absolutely crushing the algorithm with simple, short clips. Today, I'm showing you the exact blueprint to do this entirely for free using advanced AI. Step 1, we need a bulletproof script. Head over to Explore GPTs and search for historical POV shorts. Launch the first tool you see. It's immediately going to prompt you to choose an era, a location, and a character perspective. For this run, I'm going with an ancient civilization, setting it in Rome, Egypt, and picking the role of a blacksmith. Hit enter and watch it spit out a highly detailed 6-scene breakdown with ready-to-use image and motion prompts. Step 2, let's build the visuals. Grab the first image prompt from your AI assistant and jump over to Google Flow. Toggle the switch to image mode at the top. Drop your prompt inside and hit generate. Once your variations pop up, pick the most cinematic shot. Now, hit the 3 dots on that image and choose Add to Prompt. This locks in the character's facial features and clothing styles, so your subsequent scenes don't look completely different. Go ahead and repeat this copy-paste workflow for the remaining 5 scenes. Using that initial image reference ensures your main character remains identical throughout the entire story arc. Step 3, adding motion. Drag your first reference image into the main canvas area and switch the interface over to video mode. Make sure you set the rendering engine to the OmniFlash model for the cleanest movement. Grab the specific video motion prompt your GPT built earlier, drop it into the box, and click generate. In just a moment, your static frame turns into a dynamic, moving cinematic clip. Run through this exact sequence for your remaining 5 images. Within a few short minutes, you'll have 6 high-definition, fully animated video files sitting right in your downloads folder. Finally, let's assemble the project. Toss your clips into Capcut, arrange them sequentially across the editing timeline, and sync them up with a dramatic sound effect or voiceover track. Hit export in full HD, and your next viral masterpiece is complete. Drop a subscribe right now if you want to master the latest AI content creation loops before everyone else catches on.